All right, so for my A period math final, I chose solving exponential equations. I hope the camera's all right. I set it up so that I can be able to write and see what I'm doing, and also you can a little bit too. So I hope this works. 1 and 2. I chose these two because they work kind of the same way. So these two are gonna both work the same way, but then 3 is a little bit different. So we'll get into that. So for number 1, you're able to set both of your exponents equal to each other. It'll end up looking a little bit like that. From there you go, just simplify. So you get 2 equal 4x. Simplify that, you'll get 1/2 is equal to x. So that's how you solve number 1, which kind of leads into number 2. But number 2 is a little bit trickier. So you do the same thing where you're going to set both exponents up to each other. So you'll get x squared equals 6 minus x. From there, you could solve a little bit. You get x squared, or simplify, excuse me, x squared plus x minus 6. You set that equal to 0. And now this is where this one gets a little bit trickier than the first one. So when solving exponential equations, in some cases you're able to get 2 answers for one problem. So that's going to be one of these problems. So you'll get x plus 3 and then x minus 2. You set that equal to 0. Simplify that. It just comes out as x equals -3. X equals +2. Okay, and now for number 3, I'm going to try to get this set up a little bit for you. Okay, so 3 is a little bit trickier. So we do not have the same base on both sides, so we can't just set both exponents equal to each other. But in this particular problem, because you have 9 here, you can manipulate it a little bit to make it work in your favor. So 9 is also equal to 3 squared. So using that, you could just manipulate the problem a little bit. So you can get 3x is equal to, put this in there, 3 squared x plus 5. From there, you're going to simplify that a little bit more. Now you're going to pretty much do the same thing, except for you're going to take the parentheses out of this and put it around your exponent. Like that. And now that we have the same base and one single exponent on each side, one single exponent on each base, excuse me, now we can use the property and set the exponents equal to each other. So we're going to do x is equal to 2 parentheses x plus 5. So do a little bit of simplifying. X is equal to 2x plus 10. You get x is equal to -10. So that's what you'll get for that one. I know this isn't really a long video, but these are 3 problems that I found that I knew that I could do the best. So that's it. Thank you.